So on the bench right now, we have a Cobra LX. This is a Cobra 29, just really standard radio, except for there's a little something on the back of it back there, if you know what I'm saying. So this radio is ready to rock. It will be on the website as well. We'll give it a month on the website. Maybe we'll move it over to eBay or something like that. I know I said I wasn't going to really be on eBay anymore, but sometimes to get these products moved, maybe that's the place to go. So this radio right here is ready to rock. It has something strapped on the back that's really going to help you get out with this radio. Comes with all your standard features, talk back, everything like that these radios come with. Let's give it a go real fast. You don't really have an option to turn the amp off in the back, but we're gonna zoom in on the meter for you guys. Wrong meter, that meter. See what she dead keys. We'll turn this off so we don't have to hear it. Dead key in about 5 watts. Hello. Hello. So there you go, doing about 75 out the back of the radio. Now, what's really cool about this amplifier that's on the back is it's ran off of the internal power of this radio. So if you're interested in a Cobra like this, I would definitely advise using a beefier power cable, not a necessarily truck stop power cable, but get something with some good copper, very good gauged wire. Make sure it's not any of that kind of junky stuff. So let's see what else we could do to help you guys out. We want ketones off. Oh, I thought that was beep. Let's change the display color. Maybe blue's not your thing. Maybe green is. I think these radios look really cool red with the black face, but this amber's pretty cool in them back. I don't know. I think the amber shows up pretty well. Brightness, all this good jazz. So, really cool radio. Really like these radios. I think that they work good. They sound good, but you know, if you're looking for a good used Cobra that gets out really well, this might be the radio for you. This is a Cobra LX. You can find it on corncobcbshop.com. The link will be in the description below. 73. Thanks for watching.